Today, we are diving into an innovative approach for SAP integration projects, Generative Test-Driven Development or Generative TDD. This method leverages AI tools like ChatGPT to automate the creation of mapping programs, significantly enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Traditionally, developing mapping in integration platforms like SAP Integration Suite has been a manual, time-consuming process that requires a lot of extensive rework. With Generative TDD, by utilizing AI models such as ChatGPT, we can automatically generate mappings. Here's how it works. First, you collect historical data by gathering numerous input-output messages pairs from your existing system and storing them in Int4 Suite repository as a test case. The input represents the message incoming to your middleware platform, and the output is the message leaving your environment after all the mappings and transformations. This historical data is the foundation for generating accurate mappings. Then, you generate mapping proposals. You can input this data being pairs of input-output payloads into ChatGPT, prompting it to create mapping code in your desired language, such as XSLT or Groovy. The AI processes the example and produces a mapping program. Finally, you validate and refine. You implement the generated mapping into your integration platform. Then, run all historical test cases to validate if the output messages that your interface is generating are the same as expected outputs from your historical data. If discrepancies are found, you refine the mapping by iterating through the generation and validation steps until achieving the desired accuracy. Int4 Suite can streamline this process. It automates the retrieval of historical messages, facilitates the generation of mappings using AI, and provides robust validation mechanism to ensure the new mappings align perfectly with existing business processes. By adopting Generative TDD, organizations can reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and accelerate their SAP integration projects. It's a forward-thinking approach that harnesses the power of AI to enhance your development. As you can imagine, this is just a tip of the iceberg when it comes to using AI in SAP testing. So, for more resources on that topic, you can see the description of this video. But if what I've shown in this video is interesting enough for you to want to discuss it further, you can also schedule a free discovery session during which we will discuss your landscape and how you can use AI for the purpose of testing. But for now, thanks for watching.